Hi guys, it's Sarah from Pirate Lotus Boutique, and today I am going to do December's Curated Bead Box. I'm a little disappointed because my box has a puncture hole through it. The tissue paper seemed okay, and so did the bubble mailer, so I'm not sure what happened there. But it seems all my stuff is in good condition. I did double check to make sure, so I got a little glance of what was in it, but I just wanted to make sure nothing was damaged, or more than the box, I mean. Let's get these out and see what we got. So, as usual, this is a $20 a month subscription, free shipping in the US. And they send a findings kit every month, and it usually has a theme. I believe there's a link, to their sister site, dollarbead.com, which you can use these numbers here to find if they have any more of the item like that you want more of, perhaps. So that's always good. But the theme, I believe, is Tranquility, since some of the letters are punctured. It's a little harder to tell. But let's get started. I'm pretty excited. The colors in this look very pretty. 12mm burnt orange blue duo style glass beads on a 6.5 inch strand. Orange blue duo. This one. Okay. I think that's this one. But now that I'm looking at it, I'm not entirely sure that's right. There's a couple of small strands here, so I'm not sure which one. I'm pretty sure it's this one, though. I do like these. These are very pretty. Trying to see. I'm not sure, but I do like the colors on these and the effects that they have going on the inside. They're very nice. I like this one. Colors on it's gorgeous. And the bead hole size is probably about 1 millimeter, I believe, which is what they usually are. Sorry if I sound a little sick. My allergies, again, are crazy. Next we have Seafoam Jade style glass beads on an 8-inch strand, which I believe these. I do really find that I enjoy the Jade style beads because they give that look of a gemstone. I like these. They kind of remind me of bubbles. Oh, they seem pretty decent. Yeah, I love glass beads. These are always fun for me. Next is 10mm rain and fire crackle season glass beads, which I believe are the, oops, what's that strand? 8-inch strand, which I believe are these. I love crackle beads. I'm so excited over these. Love these. The colors are definitely not something I have already, so It'll be fun to play with, I believe. It's very cool. Again, you get quite a few beads in this, so it's always nice that you can do multiple projects. I do like this. Next is 8mm Apricot Apricot C beach style glass beads on a 10-inch string. Not sure. I'm not sure which of these. I'm confused. I thought it was these, but I'm not sure. They are very nice though, I like those. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's these because they kind of look like sea glass. I don't know if everyone has seen sea glass or not, but that's what this reminds me of. So I'm thinking that's what these are. It's a very pretty color though. Pulse size are nice. But one thing I don't like about the Curated Bead Box is they don't number everything, so you kind of sometimes are kind of guessing what the stuff is. That's okay. Let's see. Next is Burnt Jade style glass beads on a 16-inch strand. These are very tiny. I'm not 100% certain. That was a very long strand. I am not 100% certain these are 6mm. They feel more like 4, but again, I definitely could be wrong on that. But let's check here. Yeah. Trying to get the bead in my measuring thing here. I keep. These are definitely closer to 4. It's okay. Sometimes you don't get the sizes that they say because they run out. But that happens, so that's okay. I prefer these anyway because I don't have a lot of 4mm ones, and I like using them for earrings to make them lighter. These are very pretty. Again, I love the Jade style beads because they're just very pretty. Oh, the camera, sorry. Next is 6mm burnt orange soft blue marble style glass beads on a 10.5-inch strand. Now that I know are these, and I love these. Again, you can tell the size different. These are definitely 6 and those are definitely 4. But I love these. I was trying to remember the color I have. I think it's like a brown and yellow. And an 8mm that are also very pretty. I just love like focus. So you can see the marbling detail on them that they do, which is why I like them. I'm actually quite excited to use this. Next is, let's see, silver blue glass pearl beads on a 16-inch strand. I actually think mine might be closer to 8 more than 6mm. Definitely closer to 8. But again, the sizes can vary and how many you get depending on their stock and stuff. These are very pretty. I like these. I know not everybody likes glass pearls, but you know, they're still nice. I don't know why anyone would not like them. And so again, a very long strand. It's a lot of beads to work with, which is always a plus. And next is 6mm bronze silver leaf style glass beads and a 10.5-inch strand. Again, I love the silver leaf beads. And if you guys couldn't hear me just now, I do apologize. I think I was a little further away from my phone than I meant to be. I do like these. Again, I know you guys have trouble hearing me, and I apologize. I am working on saving up for a microphone for my phone to help with that. So hopefully soon. I'm sure you can see some more silver of the silver leaf here. There we go. It's one of the reasons I love these. They have had them in several boxes in different sizes and colors, and I just love them. I think I have them in blue this size as well as I have 8mm pink and green. I feel like I have yellow maybe? I'm not sure. I just feel like there's another color. Next is 4mm golden brown Crackle glass beads on a 16-inch strand. Again, I love Crackle glass. I think this is the smallest I have. Sorry, this end is very long. It keeps popping up in my way. I love Crackle glass. It just gives a little extra to it, I think. And again, it's a lot of beads you can work with and do so much with, which is definitely a good thing. Let's see what's next. 10mm rust druzy style with line glass bead, approximately 18 beads. I believe that's these. These are a little tacky. It's so weird. You know, I moved to California and I'm thinking it's gonna be nice in the wintertime. Yeah. Maybe at the desert, but it's cold. Just pour some of these out here. So if you see my hands shaking, it's because I'm cold. I like these. I love getting these kind of beads with the little stripe on them. They give them a little extra something, which is always plus. There's still a ton in this bag still. I believe it said it was approximately 18. So just so you can see the hole. It's a nice, you know, size hole, so you can do stringing or whatever. I have no idea what I'll do with these. I usually don't use the rust ones like that. I have no idea why. I just don't. Next is 20 by 14mm soft turquoise twist lampwork glass beads. 5 beads approximately, which should be these. I'm a little sad I only have 4. But that's okay. I actually usually don't know what to do with these. I have yet to use any that we have gotten, which makes me sad because they look so cool, but when I look at them, I don't, oh, there's 5, one of them's hiding. I never know what to do with them because of their shape, and so it's like I never get to use them. I'll figure something out eventually, maybe. Who knows? But I do love these. I like this color. Turquoise is very pretty, I think. Just there. 2 more. 18 by 16 millimeters silver etched metal spacer beads, which is this here. Yeah, my hands are so cold. I'm actually having trouble like gripping things right now. There we go. I like these. The design on these was really cool. Focus. Come on, camera. Oops. There we go. And you can see the hole goes all the way through. And there's 3 of them. I have no idea what I'll use these for yet, but I will have to think of something really cool and unique. If not, I might just use them as a bracelet or a couple of bracelets. And the last of the items is something I'm actually excited about. It is 1 millimeter antique silver link chain, 40 inches in length. We don't usually get chain from them, so I am extremely excited right now. I can't remember getting chain from them ever. Like, I've been getting these since May or June. I don't quite remember. It's very thin, but it doesn't feel weak, if that makes sense. There's a lot of chain here. Just keeps going. But that's not something we normally get from them, so that's pretty exciting right there. And that only leaves the findings, which this month is silver. They always send this little pack of starter finding kit, which is always fun because there's, you can always use, if you're new to beading, you got your stuff right away. There are crypt beads, lobster claw clasps, which I am actually missing some of mine. I don't know what I did with them. Jump rings, fish hook air wire, and of course something I always go through very quickly, headbands. Stretch cord. I believe somebody said this was tiger tail string. I can't be 100% sure. And memory wire. So that's it for this month. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys soon. Don't forget, I still have the contest going out, the giveaway, I mean. I'll link that somewhere. And probably in the description. But don't want you guys to forget that. And some more stuff coming soon. I'm excited. I can't wait for you guys to find out what it is. And yeah, so I will see you guys next time. Bye.